Hi guys, me again. Just had to jump on here to remind you that tonight at midnight Eastern Standard Time is the close for our giveaway. We are giving away one of our 4 summer solstice soaps. So hurry up and get entered. All you gotta do is subscribe. Just click that red button and get notified, do what you gotta do, and follow us on this incredible journey that we've had. It's been so absolutely lovely to talk to all of you and communicate with all of you. It's an honor to me that you guys watch my videos. It's just that simple, and I want to give back to one of you. So one of you will be the winner. So on June 17th, we're going to take all of you, our beautiful subscribers, and we are going to put all of your names in a hat, and we're going to pick the winner. And then we'll get in contact with the winner, and you'll get your choice of one of the 4 bars of soap. So absolutely, I'm going to put a picture in so you guys can see. But I hope you enjoy the video. This is another soap for one of my wholesale accounts, and how amazingly creative my customers are to have a coffee soap not scented in a coffee scent. So you guys have a great week, and I will see you on June 17th to announce the winner to our summer solstice giveaway. Bye-bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty's kitchen. Oh, it looks like I need to turn my ring light up a little bit. There you go, that's better. We are still working on my wholesale order for my new client, and I cannot even tell you how absolutely creative that my customers are. I am making a coffee soap, our Wake Me Up Before You Go, but this is not going to be coffee scented. This is going to be scented, the client requested, Strawberry Daiquiri and Vanilla, and I'm telling you, they smell gorgeous together. It's my own custom blend, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. This is very similar to the Wake Me Up we made a while back. Because both fragrances discolor, I will be turning my main batter brown, but we're going to use cocoa powder and the white. The only difference is that my client wants a red swirl through it as well. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. And as usual with Wake Me Up Before You Go, it all starts with a strong brew of coffee. So my lye water is made with coffee. There is also salt and organic sugar in this. So let's get this in here. All right. Washcloth over here. Let me get this mixed up, and then we'll add our yogurt. Okay, let's add our yogurt. This yogurt's going to cool my batter down quite a bit because I forgot to take it out of the fridge, which is par for the course with me these days. You would think, I put it in all my soaps. It's not an unusual ingredient anymore like it used to be. Okay, let's get this mixed in, and then we'll pour off for colors. Okay. All right. So, need our cocoa powder. And our red. And our white. And there's not going to be any piping on these. Just like last week, they're going to be cut the same way as that. And if you didn't watch last week's video, just stick around and I'll show you. There's a bit of a difference there. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit, just a teeny bit of chocolate brown mica in here. I just want my discoloration to be even. And I'll be splitting the fragrance between the cocoa powder portion. Oh, you know what? Let me go ahead and put my coffee grounds in there too, so that way I don't have to blend it twice just in case there's a clump or something. Let's go with that. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right. Let me get this off of here. I'm gonna blend my white with my frother because there's not a whole lot of white in there. Okay. All right, there's that. And let me stir these before I actually put the fragrance in, because I've used the vanilla, but I've never used the strawberry daiquiri. So I don't know if it's gonna speed up or anything. And this is the same red I used last week for With or Without You. I created it myself with raspberry red mica, crimson mica, and activated charcoal. That's my favorite way to make red. Okay. Let's put our fragrance in. Oh my goodness. That smells amazing. That was a fantastic idea. A coffee soap without a coffee scent. Oh, that is so good. So good. But it does seem to be speeding up Trace a little bit in that brown. Okay, let me get my mold. This is one of my new molds. Okay. Oh, there's still some alcohol in there. Let me just wipe that out with a paper towel. Okay. Let me bring you guys in closer. Whoa, if I could get it straight. Anyway, I'm going to start with our brown. Well, the brown with the coffee in it anyway. And we're going to put in our cocoa powder. And I'm going to put all the cocoa powder in because I'm not going to need to save any for the top or anything. I'm going to put most of my red in here. I'm going to leave some for the top, but I don't need much. And then I want a little bit of white in here. And then the rest will go on the top. And go ahead and put the rest of this brown in there. You know what, before it gets too full, let me go ahead and swirl it. I'm going to use one of my thicker chopsticks to do the swirling. All right. Okay, sorry if I jiggle ya. Put some of this on the top. And then some of this white on the top. See, we're making soap messy again. Okay. Let me clean this mess up. Like I said, I seem to be making all these little Pollock tops on my brand new molds. Okay. There we go. Oh, it looks fantastic. It smells gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we will be back in 18 to 24 hours to cut this new creation. Hi guys, we are back to cut this very, very uniquely scented Wake Me Up Before You Go. This is the one that is Strawberry Daiquiri and Vanilla, and I'm going to tell you guys something. This smells amazing. So I'm going to cut an end piece off. I know I told you when we were making this that this is being cut differently, and you watched me cut with or without you the same way that I'm going to cut this last week. So I'm only going to cut like 5 or 6 pieces of this with you, and then I'll show you again in case you didn't catch the last video. This is for a wholesale order, and what is being done with this soap is, oh wow, that red looks beautiful in there with that coffee. You guys see that? Oh my goodness. What's being done with this is the Janissa, the woman who purchased it, she sells Lulasroe clothing, and she gives away like little freebies with her when her customers order from her, and my products are going to be some of those freebies. So it's a very exciting business opportunity for me, and I hope for her too that it does well for her business as well. So let's cut a few of these the regular way. Oh, actually, you know what, that first one, let me show you what I'm going to do with it. Okay, so this bar is an inch thick. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this inch thick bar is I'm going to take it and I am going to make it a 1/2 inch. And I suppose it would probably be easier to mark my cutter with a 1/2 inch, but I found with the last 3 loaves that I've cut for her that this works better. And then I'm going to place them this way, and I'm going to find the middle, and we're going to cut it again. So then what we have are hotel bar size soaps. So I'll bevel the edges and clean them up and all that kind of stuff and package them. So that's how these are being done. Let me get these off of here. But like I said, I'm going to cut a few of these in case you missed the video last week. But like I said, I'm just going to cut them in the inch increments for you guys, so you don't have to, sit through everything, because, why? I really like the red in this soap. That was a brilliant idea. My customers, when I do special orders, I love doing special orders because my customers are some of the most creative people, and the smell of this is amazing. Again, it is Strawberry Daiquiri and Vanilla, and that was Janissa's idea. It really does smell good. So, can't get that off there. So I'm gonna cut one more piece with you guys, and I'm gonna let you go because I gotta cut all of these up into sample sizes. So, oh well, that piece wasn't very exciting, was it? Let's cut one more. Let's find an exciting piece to end on. Gotta find an exciting piece to end on. Oh, that's a little bit more exciting. Okay, guys. You guys have a fantastic week, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.